Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Hope you are doing well. We are continuing with the topic animal tissues. Animal tissues are categorized into four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue or neural tissue. We have completed the epithelial tissue. Now, today's our topic shall remain connective tissue. Connective tissue is the most abundant and widely distributed tissue in the body. It consists of living cells embedded in abundant non-living intercellular matrix. Connective tissue connects different tissues or organs. It provides support to various structures of the animal body. Connective tissue develops from the mesoderm of the embryo. There are three components present in the connective tissue. These three components include matrix, connective tissue cells, and connective tissue fibers. Now, matrix are the ground substance. Most common mucopolysaccharide, hyaluronic acid. Matrix is mainly a mixture of modified polysaccharides and proteins which are secreted by the component cells of the tissue. Now, B part, connective tissue cells. There are different types of cells which include fibroblasts, adipose cells, plasma cells, mast cells, macrophages, mesenchyma cells, chromatophores, reticular cells. Now, fibroblasts. They are concerned with the production of fibers and matrix. Adipose cells, also called adipocytes or lipocytes, they are concerned with the storage of fat. Plasma cells or plasmatocytes, they synthesize antibodies. Plasma cells are also called cartwheel cells because thin chromatin in the nucleus form 4 or 5 clumps, giving the nucleus resemblance to the cartwheel. Mast cells are mastocytes. They produce histamine, heparin, and serotonin. Mast cells are related to basophils of the blood. Histamine, it dilates the walls of the blood vessels in inflammatory and allergic reactions. Heparin, it checks clotting of blood inside blood vessels. Serotonin, it acts as a vasoconstrictor to arrest bleeding and to increase blood pressure. Macrophages, they are also called histocytes or plasmatocytes. They ingest cell debris, bacteria, and foreign matter. Mesenchyma cells, they give rise to different types of connective tissue cells. Chromatophores are pigment cells. They are present in the dermis of the skin where they impart color to the animal. Reticular cells form reticular tissue and are phagocytic in nature. Now, the third component of connective tissue is the connective tissue fibers. Connective tissue fibers are of three types. Number one, collagenous or collagen fibers, they are white. They are made up of collagen proteins. When boiled in water, collagen changes into gelatin. Collagen fibers are the most abundant in tendons, ochre, and bundles. They are glistening white in color. They are unbranched, thick, long, and wavy. They are tough and non elastic. Collagen is digested by trypsin. Now, B part, elastic fibers yellow. Elastic fibers are made up of elastic proteins, branched, thin, long, straight, and elastic. They are most abundant in ligaments. They occur singly and are yellow in color. Elastin digested by pepsin. Now, C part, reticular fibers. Reticular fibers are made up of reticulin protein. They are delicate, branched, short, and form a network. They are most abundant in spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow. They occur singly and are white in color. Now, the types of connective tissue. Connective tissue can be classified into three types. Number one, loose connective tissue. Number two, dense connective tissue. Number three, specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue is further classified into two types, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Dense connective tissue is further categorized into two types, dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue is further classified into two types. Number one, tendon, they are white fibrous connective tissue, and ligament, yellow elastic connective tissue. Then we have specialized connective tissue. It is further classified into two types. Number one, skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. Skeletal connective tissue is further classified into two types, bone and cartilage. Fluid connective tissue is further classified in two types, blood and lymph. This was about the classification of connective tissue or the types of connective tissue. Inshallah, details will follow in our next offline class. Thanks.